Right, so hello, I'm back. Sorry for a week of no videos, or if you care. But well, I went out. I had a family trip where I was out for a week, and we went abroad in Nagoya, Japan. It's a very nice place. So far, I've been to I've been to three Japan cities now. So Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya. So far, I like Nagoya the best. Well, because it's a little bit more chill. The place is nice. I also came in time for Sakura, for the cherry blossoms, and now I understand why people love them a lot. People find them beautiful. Though I did find plum blossoms in Nagoya itself, and I found them equally beautiful. So, but nevertheless, I understand why people love looking at the cherry blossoms. So, coming back to work, I mean, uh, I thought that I had to let go. I thought that the week before I went on the trip was emotionally draining, in a sense that you have to give bad news to people. I thought it was over, but apparently not. So I had to do it this week again. Now, as the week ended, I just like to again appreciate K-pop, appreciate specifically Twice, and keeping my mood up. Not just Twice itself, specifically the song One Spark. You know, I've always loved Twice ever since I first heard them with TT. I did not reach Cheer Up. I had to listen back on that, but my fandom started really with TT. I heard about it. It sounded very different from the usual K-pop that I listened to, which is that time 21 and SNSD. So when I saw Twice, I always thought, it's just like SNSD or Girls' Generation, but they seem a little cuter. You know, there was a cutie aspect to it at that point. But I like the songs. You know, I found it very very catchy. Then after TT, I kept waiting for their releases, for their comebacks, and uh, until Alcohol Free, which I found just normal, and then Moonlight, Sunrise, and still good. Then special and One Spark. I loved all their songs, you know, with Signal and everything, but I think One Spark is pretty special for me, for myself. That I found it really really catchy. It's something that I would compare to my other favorite song, which is TT. So for the whole week, I was watching uh, a few videos of them in repeat. I guess it's something to make me happy. Last 2 weeks ago, when I did the video, I was actually watching to a lot of ITZY, Unstop, Untouchable, you know, with the dance. But now it's been really One Spark, and it's actually not just One Spark in itself, not just the song and the music video. It's also the behind the scenes when they were starting their dance, the music video behind the scenes, the filming of it, the music video, the performance, Mnet, and their performance video. So it's 5 videos happening. And I would see that I would actually put One Spark now as maybe, I guess, one of my most favorite. That might be my favorite Twice song right now, because they've been here for almost 10 years already, and you can see how they matured. And this is maybe a song that really shows their maturity. I would say I got you, but I Got You is a little bit different since they're releasing in English, and at the same time it's really more of a song. Honestly, the choreography for I Got You is, for me, it didn't work. But I guess to each his own. But I love One Spark. I love the choreography. I love the whole concept of the music video. And I love how they matured from their cutie times until now, after 10 years, looking at how they are. But despite their maturity, they've gotten better. You know, they've like Gio has matured so much. She's really sexy now. You can see the confidence. You know, Neon is still nice. She's been cute and now she's still cute, and and the way she deal with the other idols, how she is, I really find it really nice. She's currently my bias. I do change biases. Um, well, Misamo is still spectacular. You know, Sana has gone prettier and prettier and prettier and prettier and prettier. Especially with One Spark, the way, oh, she's pretty, she's beautiful. Momo as the dancing machine. Honestly, she has been my, of all. If I would rank them to the lowest, I find Momo great, but I guess it's just my personal choice. But she was really doing well, and Mina. Well, Mina's always Mina, the shy, quiet Mina. By the way, I really love the way Katrinka did did their killing voice reaction, wherein she explained how Mina sings. Was I always found it weird. How can she sing with her mouth barely moving? So, and then there's my usual favorites, Dayun. She's gone from really a cutie, goofy girl into something still goofy, but has gone really matured. Tsuyu, my initial bias, has gone from cute to now elegant. You know, the way she looks was elegant. Chaeyoung, most people tend to not like, is really beautiful. In the behind the scenes feature and on how they did the One Spark dance, she was I guess she was barefaced. She was beautiful. She's so beautiful. Jonghyun was her voice, right? Her voice, and they really flattered her. Her design, especially the elevator scene when she was in all black, really flattering. Despite I mean, she's pretty. Her weight's it's not just before, right? Not like before, but it's just really flattering. I found it's really flattering, and her lines, her voice is up there. You know, very underrated, but they gave her really good lines. Overall, they're all beautiful. You know, when they did the music, the dance rehearsals. You know, I love how Chaeyoung was so creative. You know, in the end she actually suggested the last move, which is so great. She's so beautiful. You know, she's always been cute, but by the time that she kept losing weight, she got thinner and thinner. But when she was practicing, gosh, the beautiful. Gio has lost the weight, became more woman, and she's still the leader. You know, she can see, and they're still so sweet. It's like they're both sweet and matured. They're not like kids anymore, but they still retain their innocence, their sweetness, and they got better. And it made difficult days for me bearable. You know, watching all of those videos. The One Spark video, how they did the last dance was actually in very cold weather, and they had to wear sleeveless clothes and almost with very little to cover themselves and braving the cold. You know, the acting, you know, they're really great in projecting themselves and in acting, and the effects. You know, it's just like again, this is more or less my appreciation video to Twice, and specifically One Spark. Thank you for making this week, for keeping me up for the week. You know, thank you very much for that. And I guess I would like to keep adding this video, as my boss actually told me about the attitude of gratitude. You know, and I would like to show it out there on what I appreciate for the week, and what made my week, I guess, made the difficult times bearable, which is helped me. One Spark by Twice. So as a Ones and all the fellow Ones, I hope that you enjoyed One Spark. I enjoyed it before, but I enjoyed it more this week, and Twice is just great. You know, people might kill me, but I really think that they've transcended. Um, they've transcended, and they're basically like the heroes now of K-pop. Especially when you look at the videos on how New Jeans really got really fangirly, and for NMIX when they got fangirly with Twice. They've already established themselves, and I guess they have a lot more to offer. And for everybody who finds joy in watching or listening to K-pop, well, I do hope that it keeps giving you joy. But one thing, I'm actually one song has always been going back, which is Magnetic, and it's very catchy. It's actually giving me the New Jeans vibes. But at this point, I'd just like to thank Twice. Thank you for the week, for letting me survive the week. And basically that's it. Thank you Twice. And for anyone's watching, well, we're so happy. This comeback is amazing. And thank you very much.